back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with yet another non-phone work from home job lead. Of course, this is for my United States folks only. If you are outside of the United States, I did post a video yesterday about worldwide work from home job leads, so go check that out and feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for if this job lead is not for you. I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am out there searching for things to share. But today's job lead comes from the company Clario. Now, Clario delivers leading endpoint technology solutions for clinical trials. They are looking for an images operations coordinator. Now, this is remote work from home. You'll be performing data processing for all studies. You'll review, process, track, and monitor all data received from clinical sites. You'll verify the data transmittal form is complete and accurate with the appropriate media enclosed. So I'm assuming probably images of x-rays or different things like that is what they mean by appropriate media enclosed. This is going to be in the healthcare field of clinical trials. You'll verify upon login that the data is received, and it is the expected data based on the project protocol. You'll receive data and perform data entry. You'll load the image data into the study database and perform image preparations. You'll review data discrepancies and resolve any of those, and of course you'll process the web submission data. So completely non-phone, all data processing and submitting. Now, of course, an associate's or bachelor's degree is always preferred, but they do require a high school degree. They want somebody who has at least one year experience using computer hardware and software applications, someone who's familiar with PC-based computers and standard software packages, including email, word processors. So this is going to be your Microsoft Office, Outlook, Word, Excel, all of those things. They want somebody who's experienced moving and copying files and folders, and someone who has some knowledge of drug development or clinical trials is preferred, but that is not required. They are looking for someone, though, who has excellent attention to detail, strong documentation, and organizational skills. Now, unfortunately, this job did not list the salary. I hate when jobs don't list the salary. Of course, we know salary is always dependent on location and experience, but I still wish they would list a range, but that would have to be discussed at the time of the interview. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you found this job lead or anything that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button, as that gives me direct feedback that I am being helpful to someone, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.